I did not call it failures or mistakes. Because debt does not define who you are. Debt is simply one of the hurdles on your financial journey. Some hurdles are small, some are bigger, but hurdles are meant to be overcome, not feared. Bagkus, you have to overcome it. So, write down every financial obligation you have. Your credit cards, your personal loans, housing loans, car loans. If you have buy now, pay later, or SP later, or whatever buy now, pay later schemes that you are into right now, anything that you owe, lahat ng mga pinagkakautangan mo. Because once we can see the hurdle, we can start planning how to get over it. So lahat ng mga bagay na nagiging balakid o hadlang para makamit mo ang financial freedom mo or upang maging maayos ang iyong pananalapi or kaperahan, lahat ng mga klase ng utang mo sa buhay,